Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize Podia for selling webinars and subscriptions. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To authorize Podia for selling webinars and subscriptions, start by logging into your Podia account. Navigate to the dashboard where you manage your products. Look for the settings option in the left-hand menu and click on it. In the settings menu, find the integrations section. Click on Integrations to access various tools and platforms you can connect to Podia. Scroll down until you find the option for payment processors. Select the payment processor you intend to use, such as Stripe or PayPal. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen payment processor to your Podia account. Ensure that you enter all required information accurately. Once you have completed the integration steps, save your changes. Next, return to the dashboard to create your webinar or subscription. Click on the Products tab to start adding your offerings. Select New Product and choose either webinar or membership depending on your needs. Fill in the details for your webinar or subscription, including title, description, and pricing. Make sure to set the availability and access options according to your preferences. Once you've entered all necessary details, save your settings. Preview your product to ensure everything is displayed correctly. Lastly, promote your webinar or subscription using your preferred marketing channels. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized Podia for selling webinars and subscriptions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.